Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target in the upcoming month or so. I'm actually going to be using the archive feature where we look back in time at what was selling well about 11 months ago to project where we should be really looking to make some sales over the next 30 days. So let's get to it. We'll get things started with an Amazon merch sales update. So for the month of December, today is the 17th. I've made 2,064 sales on Amazon merch, $6,600 of profit in the US market, and about another, I don't know, what does that look like? Maybe $1,400 profit from the international markets. So not bad so far. That's about $8,000 in profit. And then I do, of course, show you my ad spend on the first of every month. If you follow me on Instagram. I thought that was going to go to the Instagram plug right here. By the way, I added this pop-up right here to show you guys that if you saw a decline in your Amazon merch sales recently, it's probably because earlier than normal, I don't know why, it kind of sucks, but Amazon added this arrives after Christmas notification. They must be really backed up in their print-on-demand centers. That's the only reason I could think of them doing it so early. I think this popped up around like the 14th. So it kind of sucks. I mean, last year I know we had like more of an extended window of, peak sales to the people who waited till the last second to buy their gifts on Amazon. But, we had an early drop off this year. Let's take a look at the top 10 best sellers. This is Podly's and this is Merch Dominators. So we're taking a look at both tools here. My real takeaway is that it looks like the evergreens are selling quite well right now. Nothing really Christmas centric, just the type of shirt that would really maybe go viral in a department store. It's kind of what I see when I look at shirts like this, even though I never go to the mall really. If you go to a store like H&M or something like that, I don't know, wherever you go to get like graphic t-shirts, maybe like Walmart or Target, these are the types of shirts maybe that you would see there, getting featured on their clothing racks. Minus the Michigan shirt, of course, which you would want to stay away from because I'm 99.9% sure that is related to college football right here. So you definitely want to stay away from those. All right, top 5 niches of the week. I mentioned we're going to base this week's episode on the archive feature, looking back in time at about 11 months ago, so we can project forward about 1 month from today. And it's going to be pretty broad. All right, this is just based on me looking and scrolling and just evaluating bestsellers and looking for repetition. Where are a lot of sales taking place? I'm going to give you high-level niches. You're going to go and look for sub-niches in these categories. Now, niche number 1 is going to be anime-themed shirts. Anime. I mean, there's so many different ways you could spin an anime sub-niche. You've got a ton of different ones. Honestly, the first one there is like, what is that, an anime Godzilla cat or something? Obviously, you don't want to target like Godzilla if that's not intellectual property that you have the rights to sell, but they probably don't mention the word Godzilla and maybe made it an anime cat, I guess. Little preview of niche number 2, by the way, with the cats. Number 2 there, just a girl who loves anime, ramen, and sketching. Number 3, eat, sleep, anime, repeat. After that, I paused my anime to be here. Then you got this one behind me. I don't even know what that's supposed to be. It's like a tarot card or something. The boba anime cat there. Just a girl who loves anime and sketching. Anyways, you guys get the point. There's a lot of different ways to target the anime niche. And there's certainly some sub-niches there that are more popular than others. But even just putting an anime spin on any upcoming big niche is a way of entering it and having mass appeal. You know what I mean? Like the appeal here, the broad mass appeal is definitely validated by these BSRs. You've got, 800, 900, 1700, 2100, 2600, really low BSRs here. So, I mean, I would say that these are a safe bet in terms of a good niche to be in the upcoming month, but also in 2024 in general. Niche number 2, cats. How about cats? I know it's so obvious, right? But again, I'm just looking at what was going on 11 months ago because we are in a little bit of a lull right now. We're not going to sell any more Christmas shirts. So we should really be prepping for January. And if you're looking at these like really high level evergreen niches that generate a lot of demand, well, you're also positioning yourself to hopefully do well for the whole year, for all of 2024, including the 2024 Christmas sales rush. And I might be the first YouTuber to talk about the holiday season of 2024, even though it's still, pre-Christmas right now in 2023, but I'm always thinking long-term. I'm thinking 12-month sales cycle. So you have cats. You have the Hiss, which is a play on the band Kiss. I would not be selling that one, especially on Amazon merch, but there's plenty of other opportunities. The Cat Daddy, the cat with the flying saucers, best cat dad ever. Behind me, I do what I want. Rock, paper, scissors with the cat paws. Ew, people with the black cats. I do what I want with the sunset cat. Judging you silently with the cat here. And then behind me here it says, sorry I'm late, my cat was sitting on me. You know, and all the BSRs there are very, very, very attractive at an average BSR of the top 10 under 5,000. Niche number 3. Before we get to niche number 3, use the links in the description to take advantage of my free mini course to help you get started building these passive income streams up in 2024, and check out my print on demand Facebook group. Niche number 3, how about old? I know it's a one-word keyword, but this is representative of who is wearing the shirt. When you type in this keyword into Podly, it's going to show us the sub niches that are generating demand in order from highest demand to lowest demand. All right, so they're making it easy for us. So the first shirt there, I'm not old, I'm classic. The next one, it's weird being the same age as old people. Third, I never dreamed that one day I'd be a grumpy old man, but here I am killing it. Next, I may be old, but I got to see all the cool bands. After that, it's don't forget my discount. After that, adulting, please wait. Easily distracted by old pickup trucks. Son, brother, gamer legend. So there's a lot of different opportunities here in this niche, guys. And I mean, really endless opportunities. I just wanted to show you that there's a lot of interest here. Look at the average BSR, probably right around 5,000 for the top 10. By the way, if you're looking for designs, maybe you're not a strong designer, check out a resource like Creative Fabrica. It is the best bang for your buck. I will link to Creative Fabrica in the description. You can join for $4.99 a month if you use my link. You can take a design like this. I'm not old, I'm classic, for classic car t-shirts. Not always old people. Sometimes it's old, cars or whatever. And you can plug that right into a tool like Placeit, which is the #1 go-to spot for print-on-demand mockups. So you can literally take the pre-made design, mock it up on Placeit, and see what happens next. Hopefully you're getting some sales there. So that's going to be both linked in the description. All right, niche number 4 today, guys. Dinosaur. And actually, I used Dinosaur and Dinosaurs, plural. You actually get different results when you use Podly's in-title feature. So I was using the in-title feature to get specifically dinosaur-centric results, but I noticed that sometimes, well, they did vary kind of widely here. I mean, look, dinosaur versus dinosaurs. When you do the dinosaurs, you actually get quite different results. In terms of lower BSR, it looks like dinosaur as a primary is actually better. Although I believe that Amazon will treat dinosaur and dinosaurs the same way. It's just the Podly database. When we're querying the Podly database, the research tool, they know the difference when you use the in-title search feature to really refine your results. They will treat it differently. So you've got, Mamasaurus, the unicorn riding the T-Rex, Auntie-saurus, Daddy-saurus, Mamasaurus, Uncle-saurus, Grandpa-saurus. If you're happy and you know it, clap your, and you got the T-Rex. Behind me, you got the autism T-Rex. By the way, you can cross niche T-Rexes with any niche. For dinosaurs, you've actually got the dinosaur alphabet shirts, which are always bestsellers. Some Christmas dinosaur themed shirts. I raised my tiny dinosaurs. You've got the chicken there. Warning, may spontaneously start talking about dinosaurs. You got a dog. Well, that's cute. I raised tiny dinosaurs, and it looks like a little lizard there. So lots of different opportunities here in the dinosaur niche. And if you have strong graphic design skills, you can cross niche, dinosaurs with almost anything. Dinosaur plus Valentine's Day. We know that's coming up. Niche number 5 this week, Axolotl. And don't forget, guys, this is based on the archive. This is based on what was generating sales 11 months ago. The axolotls were doing quite well just 11 months ago. You got axolotl questions, probably the best opportunity. You have just a girl who loves axolotls. You got axolotls of the world. You've got moods of an axolotl behind me. I actually like that one the most, probably, because look, they're all super happy in the one in the bottom right corner there. Gamesolotl, so cross-niching it with gaming. Lots of good opportunities here. Obviously, with niches like this, guys, and the dinosaurs, you're going to want to make sure that you check the youth checkbox so that Amazon allows you to sell these to, children. You wouldn't want to do that if you're selling, anything related to like alcohol, though, or curse words, or, make sure if you're on Amazon merch, make sure you're familiar with the content policy. That's what I will definitely say. All right, emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their average 30-day BSR significantly, which can be indicative of a coming trend. So you've got a college sports shirt right there in the top left. Ignore that. Guns N' Roses also needs to be filtered out, so ignore that. You got the Dot Day cat shirt. I paused my game to be here. Come on, caller, make me holler. I don't know. Bingo? I guess it's a bingo shirt. Breast cancer survivor. Kiss my ass dog shirt. Lots of options here, guys. And then you got like a little SpongeBob inspired shirt. I would definitely stay away from that. Looking ahead, so these are micro niches, I would say. Not going to be bestsellers, but related to random kind of holidays 1 month out. So January 17th is Kids Inventors Day. January 18th, Thesaurus Day. January 19th, National Popcorn Day. January 20th, National Cheese Lover Day. And January 22nd, Chinese New Year's. Here is the archive. This is basically what inspired this episode. So this is 11 months ago, what was selling well. We basically just did a whole episode inspired by this, so we don't need to spend too long on it. And last but not least, removed designs. So here we go. These were all removed by either Amazon or the seller in the last week, last 2 weeks really. So check that out. Nothing really stands out to me. Pretty wide, diverse offerings, minus the Grinch one. I bet you the Grinch nurse shirt probably got removed by Amazon, and whoever uploaded that probably no longer selling on Amazon merch. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to take advantage of my full print-on-demand course, which covers how to sell on every viable print-on-demand marketplace, as I do it myself, so you get all my tips and tricks that I've learned over the last 7 years, including how to automate your business, it's linked in the description. I'd love to have you there. And check out my private community. If you want to work directly with me, we do 2 live streams a week. We have awesome guests. We have bonuses like your first month of being there. I will give you Etsy listings that exceed the value of what you pay. So the first month's basically free. To me, it's a no-brainer. That's linked in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.